What's up, you guys? Today we are going to be making a deck. So right now we're making a deck frame, and really what we just did is got 2x4x8s, 8 of them, and then we made a box frame with that. We're spacing them out right now, and then we'll put 2x6x8 on top, stain it, easy peasy lemon squeezy. So what we're using is 2.5-inch screws for exterior decking, and we spaced it out. We have 4 supporting 2x4s, and we're spacing them out 20 inches, just 2 screws in. Okay, update. So this is obviously my first time ever putting together a deck, and online it says that you should space your boards, your planks, about 1/8 of an inch apart. That means Joe's actually going to run back to Lowe's and get one more plank. I guess we just messed up on our math. No big deal. While he's over there, I'm going to finish up. I'll space them out by 1/8 inch and then screw them in, and then whenever he gets back we'll put in that last plank. As I mentioned, what I'm doing now is spacing out the planks by 1/8 of an inch, and while y'all watch me do that, I wanted to go ahead and talk about the cost for everything. The total for the wood was $128, and that's including the 8 2x4s and the 16 decking planks, and then for the screws, I bought a huge box of screws that are gonna last me for a lot more projects other than just this deck, and that was $30. And then for the paint, I didn't even use half of the gallon for just painting the deck, because some people can put 2 coats, but I only chose to do 1 because I like how it was kind of see-through and you can see the grains of the wood. So I didn't even use half of the gallon of paint, and I'm going to use it in some future plans that I have. But the paint only costs $36, so everything in total was $189.55, which, if you think about it, you'll be saving a lot of money by making this on your own, because if you were to hire somebody, after paying for the supplies and then of course labor, it'll easily come out way more than $200. Alright guys, so we finished up with the deck. Now we gotta go with the stain. We chose a Napa wine color. We like the dark wood, and we got it in a semi-clear, is that what it's called? Transparent. Semi-transparent. I just used whatever rollers and paintbrushes that we already had at home. So if you already have rollers, feel free to use that. If you want to use something else, then use that. Also, I wanted to say that mine is a small deck because I only wanted a small deck, but if you wanted to make something bigger, then definitely you could have done the math and gotten the right amount of wood for whatever project size you wanted to do. Here is the final product. We're just painting the sideboards to get it all even. We had to prop it up so our grass doesn't get all painted, but look at that. The grass is getting painted. That's okay. It'll grow and we'll cut it. Looks good. Obviously, this was my first time ever building a deck. I've never built a deck before, and I'm sure if you guys are professionals, then you're totally cringing at my whole process. It was actually pretty easy. I'll link below everything that I got from Lowe's, and if you're trying this for the first time ever, don't be scared. Don't be afraid to try something new, because it was actually super duper easy. It took a total of like 2 hours, not including my little break that I took to rehydrate and refuel my body, but it was really easy. And if I can do it, you guys can definitely do it. And it turned out pretty good. I just needed a little seating area. This is 8 feet by 8 foot, 8 foot by 8 foot. And then I'm gonna put like a 6 foot bench and maybe a coffee table in future videos. So stay tuned. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. My name is Jen. I'll be posting every Wednesday, and make sure to subscribe if you like this and you want to see more content. I do have a lot of good stuff coming out. I'll be posting every Wednesday, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Bye.